Hello everyone, welcome to Edupedia World videos. We are learning PowerPoint and my name is Neeru Verma. Topic for today's session is working with the tables. Starting with the introduction, we learn how to create tables and how to modify the tables in this session. Tables are another tool that you can use to display information in the PowerPoint 2010. Table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. Tables can be customized and are useful for various tasks such as presenting text information and numerical data. Course goal is we are going to discuss in this session how to insert a blank table on a slide, how to move a table from one place to another, how to modify the table like how to resize this, how to add column or rows, and we learn how to delete a row or a column from the existing table. Then we'll study about modifying the table styles, how to apply a table style, how to change the table style options, and how to add borders to a table. And we'll discuss about modifying a table using the layout tab. So first of all, we need to learn how to insert a blank table. For doing this, you need to, let's insert a blank slide first. Now this is the slide we have. If you want to insert a table here, you need to click on Insert tab. Now you have a group here, Tables. This is the group. Click on the drop down below. You will get an option here, Insert Table. This one. Now you can move with your mouse and you will be getting the number of rows and columns. You can see on the right hand side that as if I'm increasing the number of, like I'm moving my mouse here on the right hand side and I can see that the columns are getting increased. If I move the mouse in the down direction, then the number of rows are getting increased. So in this way, as per the requirement, you can select the number of rows and columns and you can insert the table here. This is the table inserted now. We have got a table with 3 rows and 4 columns. Now if you want to write anything in the table, you can click anywhere in any cell and you can type the description. You can place your mouse and you can type in here. Now there is one alternative also, that how you can insert the table on the slide. We can insert the table with the placeholder also. This is the placeholder, Insert Table. Click here. Now you will get the option. You need to mention here how many columns and how many rows you want in a table. 10 columns and 10 rows. Now click on OK. This is the kind of table we have got. So you just have to click on the placeholder and then you have to describe that how many columns and rows you have, and you can insert the table on the slide. Alright, so the second option is to move a table. Now how to move a table is, let me insert that first. This is the table we have inserted. Suppose you want to move it from some other location. You need to select the table first. Place your mouse here. It will change in this icon. Now click. Your table is selected. With the help of the arrow keys, you can move your table up and down to left and right. You can change the position. This is how you can move the table. Now next we learn how to modify a table. First option is to resize a table. Now this is the table you have. We need to select it first. And now once you place your cursor here, either on the left hand side or on the right hand side, these are the sizing handles on the extremities, like on the extreme left, on the extreme right. These are the sizing handles. This is how you can increase it. This is how you can decrease the size. You can place your cursor here. You can change the size of the rows and of the columns. With the help of these sizing handles, you can do it. Now the other option is that we have learned how to resize the table, how to add column or rows. Now this is the table we have. Select the table. Now you have got the table tools. You can see here in the top table tools, and you can get two options here, the design and the layout. Click on the layout. Here you have a group rows and columns. Now if you want to insert the rows, you have the option available, insert above and insert below. You can place your cursor here. You write anything. This is the row we have. Now if you want to insert a row below, click here. You can see that one row is inserted here. Now again click this. We want to insert a row above. Click here. Now we have got this row inserted here. So in this way you can insert the rows above and below. Now if you want to insert a column, click here, click on insert left. One column is inserted in the front of the column that we have selected. Now the other is insert right. Place your cursor here, click on insert right, one column is added here. So this is how you can add columns and rows with the help of this rows and column group we have in the table tool layout. Now next thing we'll discuss is to delete a row or column. Now select the table, click on the layout tab. Now this is the group rows and columns. You can select the column, like suppose this is the column we have selected and we want to delete it. Select it and click on delete. Delete column. Select the column. Delete column. Now this row we want to delete. Select it and delete row. That is removed. Similarly, delete table. So in this way you can delete the rows, columns and the table also. So that was it. We have studied about modifying the tables. Now we have left with modifying the table style and modify the table using layout tab. We'll discuss about these two in the next session. That was it for today's session. Thanks everyone. Thank you for watching Edupedia World videos.